let's take a look at some of the databases that can help you with your assignments. For example, you need the latest information to analyze the growth of a company. Then you would need current information from a database like Factiva. Factiva is a premier source for news and information from over 10,000 reliable sources from around the world. To get to Factiva, go to the library homepage, then look for database by name A to Z. Here all the databases are listed in alphabetical order, so click on F for Factiva, click on Factiva on the list, and that would take you to the landing page of Factiva. For simple search, click on the Home tab, enter the name of the company you're searching for, autocomplete for you, but be sure to click on the company that you're looking for and then hit enter. Here are the headlines related to Delta. On the left hand side is the stock performance. Right below that, that's the supply chain that is associated with Delta Airlines. And then here you can also narrow down your headline search by, let's say you're only interested in local news, then you can just click on the Atlanta Journal-Constitution, and that would limit your search. For an advanced search, let's say you're interested in finding information for two companies, let's say Delta and its major competitor like United Airlines, then click on the Search tab, click on Search Builder, and then click on Company. In the search box, type in Delta Airlines, and then click on End, and then type in United. And then hit search. Here you will get a list of headlines related to Delta Airlines as well as United Airlines, or any overlapping headlines between the two companies. To find today's headline from major news sources, hover over the News Page tab and then click on Factiva Pages. Here you will see all the business headline from all major U.S. newspapers. That's a quick introduction to Factiva. Use Factiva to find current companies' news and headlines for your business reports and project.